Sunrise Fluid Power Incorporated was founded in 1987. With a highly dedicated team, Sunrise specializes in the manufacturing of hydraulic iron workers, punching machines, bending machines, and other hydraulic machinery. Thanks to the support from many of our satisfied customers, Sunrise has become one of the leading brands in the metal forming industry. Even at times of global economic slowdown, the market share of Sunrise continues to grow in the highly competitive international market. Sunrise is ISO 9001 certified by BVQI, and our products meet the CE safety requirements and regulations. Sunrise Fluid Power is dedicated to research and development. Our engineering team uses the latest CAD software to design each machine. Strong emphasis is placed on continued product improvement. Currently, Sunrise has the broadest range of models for iron workers and punching machines than any other manufacturer. Our manufacturing facility has modern production lines with automated equipment, including CNC lathes, CNC machining centers with pallet changers, and large double-column 5-faces machining centers. All key components are made in-house to control the quality and to manage lead time. We also use the latest ERP system to monitor and maintain a highly efficient manufacturing process. Quality of the highest standard is the key factor in our success. The quality assurance team measures and tests each component to check the precision of the machined parts. Before shipment, each machine goes through an intensive quality and performance test to ensure it meets the strict company quality standards. Our global sales network covers nearly 50 nations worldwide. Total customer satisfaction is our #1 goal. We hope that our dedicated efforts in pursuing excellence can contribute to your business. At their affordable prices, these iron workers are the most economical and effective machines in the industry for the manufacturing of metal products. We look forward to your comments and continuing support, which will guide us to even higher standards of excellence.